Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. I receive a lot of requests from the people. We are trading in MetaTrader 5, so we need this indicator for the MetaTrader 5. So here you can see a master trend and trend Usman long time frame trend system. Okay, a short time frame trend system and the RSI and the band. Okay, there are a lot of signals as well. Okay, that same thing I built for the MetaTrader 5. Here you can see long time frame band. Okay, this is the RSI and this is the short term. If you are new in my channel, then of course I have need to give information how you can use this indicator and how you can get this indicator. Okay, so I will give you a lot of a lot of details I have need to show you. And the second thing, for the old users who already have my indicators, remember the good news is now MetaTrader 5, the same thing. If you have this indicators, yes, you can get this in MetaTrader 5 indicator just free of cost. Okay, I will give you free of cost. Okay, and if you are new, then of course my indicators are paid, but not hundreds of dollars, just few dollars, and you will get my indicators. Okay, so let me show you how this system will work, and also I will show you the back testing result as well. Okay, I will show you the back testing result as well as live testing. Okay, by using the bar replay, I will show you at least some entries so you can understand. So we will see by using the bar replay mode. Here you can see the first thing need to understand for the sell condition and for the buy. When these clouds are red, only you have need to follow sell signals. Okay, you can follow this sell signals. Okay, but if you will follow only these sell signals, okay, then you will get accuracy of around 60%, 70%, 80%. I do not know, but minimum you will get accuracy of around 70%. But if you will follow this strategy I will show you, then you will get accuracy of around 90%, 95%, 100% maybe. Okay, so by using this strategy, make sure candle must touch to the upper band line. Okay, and candle, at least one candle or maybe two candle, whatever. Okay, but after that make sure candle must close. This is long time frame trend. Okay, this is short time frame trend. Okay, here you can see, and this is RSI ribbon. Okay, this is the RSI. Okay, here you can see candle must close below from the RSI and the trend. Then you open your sell position, you can put your stop loss here and take profit like here. Okay, let me show you something more. Here you can see candle is touching to the upper band line. Let's see. Okay, at this point you can see we got the entry. Okay, and if our entry fail, what we have need to do, let me show you. Okay, our entry perfectly perform is profitable. Okay, our entry gives you the perfect profitable. Okay, I told you you can put your stop loss here, and you can see stop loss did not hit. Okay, but I will recommend do not use stop loss. Okay, why? I will show you. Okay, we are waiting for the another perfect entry, and here we got another perfect entry and we get the profit as well. Okay, because candle touch to the upper band line, and after that close below from the RSI and the short trend. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then you can see close the trade when the candle touch to the lower band line. Okay, that's it. Let's find out more trades. You can see you are getting more and more and more profitable trades. Okay, you can see it's give you enough profit as well. Okay, but we do not need to greedy, because we need to just here you can see you can take profit here. Candle was very close to the, and then you can take entry. Okay, and of course you can see you got the profit as well. Okay, Here you got the entry as well, and then you can see you got the profit as well. Here you can see another entry, and you can see you got the profit as well. Okay, so this is a very, because trend is your friend. I think if you are a trader, then of course you know about uh, most of the people are saying trend is your friend. Okay, then why you are saying, they are saying, because here you can see this one is literally this perfect one, and after that you can see, let me show you something. Okay, here you can see your entry was at this point. Okay, because candle close, why I did not say you can take entry, because I say take entry at this point. Okay, or you can take entry at this point. Okay, then you can see you got amazing profit. Like here you can see entry at this point, and you can see candle, this candle is touching to the lower band line, you guys getting the profit. So this is the best strategy. Nobody will give you, and nobody can provide you this strategy like I'm providing. Okay, nobody. Here you got the entry, and you can see you got the profit. Okay, so this is the best actually. This is one is the best one. Here you got the entry. You can see you got the profit as well. Okay, I'm showing you a lot of entries. I'm not showing you one or two entries. Okay, I show you a lot of entries, so you have need to make sure that we are in a safe hand. Okay, so because why the people are saying trend is your friend, because they know if you will follow the trend, you, for example, you got the short entry, you can take the short entry, but if the trend of the market is in the short side, then of course market will come to your in the short side. Okay, maybe market will retest on the upper side and market go upside. Then of course if the trend is downside, then do not need to worry, market definitely come downside. And this is the trend, and the most difficult thing is to catch the trend. Okay, remember this is the most difficult thing. Okay, by using the EMA you can catch the trend, and if you can, then of course you are a good trader. But 95% of people do not catch the trend by using the EMA. Okay, it's up to you. Maybe you can carry the trend, but I do not say you cannot. Okay, maybe you can, and hopefully yes, I pray for you, but that's not, forget about this thing. Okay, if you need this indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. Write one at the end if you want to contact me on Telegram, and Gmail simple@gmail.com. And hopefully you will love this video, and must like my video, must subscribe my channel for the next video. Bye bye, take care.